I'm Lucy and welcome to Beauty Leaks, your favorite source of beauty news. In today's episode, Haus Lab and Lady Gaga, Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez, Sugarpill, Tom Ford, Wet n Wild and Bretman Rock, Alamar Cosmetics and more new products. Officially we are in concealer season and I could not be happier because I cannot live without concealer. A few days ago I uploaded review of Pat McGrath concealer and blurring powder, but there are more brands that are expanding their complexion range. Armani will release Luminous Silk Concealer, something to pair with cult favorite Luminous Silk foundation. Concealer will come in 20 shades, $49 each, and it's infused with glycerin, vitamin E, caffeine, and it will give you a second skin finish and 24-hour hydration. Beauty blender is Janice, did you forget to pay electricity bill? Again? Beauty blender is expanding to concealers as well. Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer will retail for $26 and will come in 40 shades. Props for being inclusive this time. Concealer is infused with hyaluronic acid and peptides. Zoeva launched 30 shades of Authentik Skin Perfector Concealer and new concealer brush. Concealer is infused with rosehip oil to nourish and hydrate, is medium coverage, and it blurs imperfections and fine lines. It retails for $19 and each concealer comes with positive affirmation, so if you're not happy with the products, at least you're gonna have positive attitude. Finally, and when I say finally, I mean for this episode, because I'm sure there's gonna be more brands that gonna launch concealers soon, and I've even heard rumors that Charlotte Tilbury will launch new concealers. But finally, last concealer for the day is from Makeup Revolution. It's a new addition to Concealer and Define line. New Conceal and Define Infinite Longwear Concealer comes in 60 shades. It retails $8 for 5ml and $10 for 9ml. It has 20% more pigment than original formula, therefore it will give you 20% more coverage. It's crease-proof and is infused with blemish-busting and pore-refining ingredients. Lady Gaga doesn't give up and she's pushing new releases for Haus Labs. This time for her little monster she has 12 shades of matte lip crayons. They are said to be full coverage, creamy, easy to apply, lightweight and long lasting. The Monster Lip Crayon will launch on Haus Labs website and on Amazon on 18th of February. Speaking of singers' makeup lines, Selena Gomez decided to join Beauty Mogul Club and this summer she will launch her own makeup line, Rare Beauty, exclusive to Sephora. And in her promo video, Selena said that she wants Rare Beauty to be more than just a beauty brand and she wants us to embrace our uniqueness. The statement is so unique that half of the makeup brands are using it. And she also said that we are not defined by photo or like, and as good as it sounds, I don't think that queen of social media who is taking $500,000 for an Instagram post can really relate. But we'll give her a chance. At the end of the day, it's all about the makeup and how the products perform, not about what the face of the brand is saying. But I must add that in the video she is using concealer brush that looks exactly like the one Pat McGrath released not long ago. Coincidence? Sugarpill find a cure for winter blues. Their latest palette looks like a pill with colorful molecules inside. And I must say, I'm impressed by this design and this looks like my kind of medicine. Capsule palette contains 5 mattes, 4 metallics and a blush. It will be available on 18th of February. Tom Ford just launched Shade and Illuminate Soft Radiant Foundation. Available in 40 shades, this foundation is medium to full coverage, fade resistant, moisturizing, nutrition, and it has SPF 50. Formula contains a blend of elastomers, 3 of natural oils and light diffusing powders to create a perfect radiant surface. It all sounds amazing. In theory, I will need to test this. Jerry, you know what to do. Thank you. The price for this foundation is $150. Well, she's pricey, but the combination of glass and gold gives it even more luxurious feel, and I'm sure it will look stunning on your Instagram pictures next to diptych candle and fake Chanel pearls. Well, actually, if you can afford this foundation, probably those pearls are real. In that case, please adopt me. There's also a new Shade and Illuminate foundation brush for $100. Let's talk about something I can afford. Wet n Wild announced mini collection in collaboration with beauty guru Bretman Rock. Jungle Rock brings tropical summer vibes and it contains eyeshadow palette, mascara, brush set trio, 3 lip glosses, loose highlighter duo, 3-in-1 face mist and a limited edition makeup bag. It all looks cute, but do I need this? No. I love a good face palette, and if you do as well, Alamar Cosmetic might have something for us. The brand just released 3 Brighten and Bronze Complexion palettes for light, medium and deep skin tones. Each palette retails for $25 and contains bronzing, sculpting and brightening powder. Formula is said to be creamy but buildable and it's infused with hyaluronic acid. There's also brush trio for $36, vegan brushes for complexion, bronzing and brightening. I'm sold. That's all the beauty news for today, and remember, everything tastes better with mayo. See you next Sunday.